I can't believe it. Tesla just continues to rip up. I don't know what I'm going to do. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechFoot Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing Friday. And one thing that we covered in today's live trading session was Tesla. We waited for the perfect time to strike. I don't want to say perfect. There's no perfect time to strike. Let me clear that up. I'm not going to pretend like, first off, I've had 3 consecutive red Fridays. So today, not just because of what's been going on with Tesla and because I wanted to prove it that Tesla, again, that we could make money obviously shorting Tesla, but I've had some pretty, 3 consecutive red Fridays in a row. So I wanted to break that kind of like back bad red streak that I had. And it's just been on Fridays. So today I was very careful. I was very calculated during our live trading session. And I said I was going to wait for confirmation. And that's exactly what we did. Tesla quickly gapped up. It became extremely overbought within a very short period of time. And just like anything, right, it's called the rubber band effect. When something becomes very overbought and very overextended within a short period of time, and then it corrects itself, you can make money, on that correction. So far on the day, it's still an open trade, so I haven't closed out the short, so it's not my money yet. But I'm up $4,000 on this Tesla short. It looks like it's trying to find its support and maybe run back up. But if we break the support at the moving average, we have another 1.5% of potential downside. So 2% of potential downside. It was just a beautiful trade altogether. I waited for my time to strike. We waited for the 3 stages of a reversal, right? That's you wait for something to uptrend, peak, show signs of resistance, and then get that confirmation of the rejection. And once we got that active sell-off, the lower lows and the lower highs, I entered the short and I started to add more to it. Again, I guess I could technically take my profit now, but I want to see if I can hit $10,000 today. I really do think I can. And if it breaks below the moving average, I will add even more to my short position, even making more money as it continues to sell off. And this is really just the beginning stages for Tesla. If you look at Tesla on the 1 hour time frame, there's huge downside potential. But let me make that very clear. Although it might offer 18% of potential downside, this is a day-by-day kind of thing. It's way too early, in my opinion, to be entering a swing trade to short Tesla. But there is no question that if you look at the larger time frames, it shouldn't come as a surprise. Tesla's extremely overbought within a very short period of time. It's very overvalued within a short period of time, and literally for all of 2023. This is a fact, not an opinion. It's a fact. For all of 2023, it has not been able to, 2024, it has not been able to surpass that previous resistance range. Now, again, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to, but again, it's been going through this rough time where we have not been able to surpass that previous resistance. Now, one thing that I do have to note is that Tesla has more momentum right now because of its earnings than it ever has all of 2024. So can it break above 270? Let me make this very clear. Yes, if I was so certain that Tesla had to crash right now, I would short it and I would swing trade that short, right? I would hold it over a number of days. I'm not that certain, right? I know that patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to, which is why I've been making it very clear, not only for our Learn Plan Profit members during our live trading session, but also for you guys here on YouTube. I want you to truly just understand that just because I see or I saw potential in shorting Tesla doesn't mean that for a day trade, doesn't mean that for a swing trade, it has to happen right now. Now, don't get me wrong, on the 1 hour, 4 hour time frame, if we begin to break below, 260 and begin to actively sell off, that would be a different story, right? Showing signs of lower highs and lower lows and price action following, then at that point, yes, I wouldn't mind swing trading a short on Tesla because price action supports it, right? Direction would be in my favor to short Tesla, but we're just not there right now. So I'm going to take it day by day. I just wanted to provide you guys with a quick little update. I'm very grateful, very blessed. I'm so thankful that, again, in front of my LPP team, and feel free to rewatch today's live session if you guys haven't done so already. I made sure that I made it super clear that, hey, today I'm going to be very careful, very calculated, and I'm not going to enter this short until my criteria is met. And if it doesn't meet my criteria all day today, then I just will never enter this short today because I don't have to trade. I want to trade when my criteria is met and when direction is in my favor, not just because I can. And I know that that's a very common mistake for beginners. So I hope that you can take that message and maybe implement it if it's been something that you've been struggling with yourself. So I'm very excited to follow up. Thank you again for keeping up to date with my progress. And I'll make sure that I keep you guys posted. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram already, it's all linked down in the description. And again, if you want to tune on in for our live trading sessions, remember, I trade live every single day, Monday through Friday, right at market open. And if you want to start tuning on in, it's the second link in the description down below. And I have a little coupon code in there for you that you guys can use to get one of our biggest discounts. So appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.